Hello, everyone. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the Fluvid extension in your Google Chrome, how to perform the recording, and how to access the file with the required settings, and finally to submit it in your Google Classroom submission page. So let's begin. So to begin, I understand that many of us have already done this initial part, but for the sake of everyone, I'm going to be going through all the steps from the beginning until the end. So do go through this video when you're watching it, look at the steps that you missed out and take it from there. So to begin, when you want to use Fluvid to do screen recording, it is important to understand that there are many ways to do this. So I'm going to be taking you through the simplest method of installing this extension. So the first way to do this is to immediately go to fluvid.com. Now, when you go to fluvid.com for the first time, you will see this purple button on your left that says Add to Chrome. It's of course free, and it must be done in Google Chrome browser. So if you're doing it for the first time, you must click on this Add to Chrome button first before anything else. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Add to Chrome. So you're going to add this. You'll be taken to the Chrome Web Store. That's what this is called, the Chrome Web Store. And all you need to do here is to click Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. And remember, this is only done one time, the first time that you're installing this extension. You never have to do this ever again. Now, the next step is that Chrome is going to ask you to log in with one of these two accounts, either with your Google account or with your Facebook account. So I'm going to click my Google account. And if you already have a Google account in your computer, it will automatically be linked to it. Otherwise, they might ask you to enter your Google email and password. Just select that, and this will be the next page you'll be taken to. So here, we call it setting the permissions. You just need to let Chrome know that you are allowing them to use your camera and that you're allowing them to use your microphone. So ensure there's a tick mark on both, and then proceed by clicking Next. Now, if you see the word hooray, so you know that your extension is all set and that you are now ready to begin your recording. Now, remember, this is only done one time, the first time, and thereafter, you don't have to do this again, and you can proceed with recordings of your subsequent videos after this. So now, moving on to how to start recording your first screen. Again, there are two ways to do this. You can directly click Start Recording, which is this yellow button here, or you can at any time go to Fluvid, and you notice that button that said Install Chrome earlier, install your extension to Chrome. It's now called Start Recording because you are now ready to record because you have already installed the extension. So either way, if you click, either you click Start Recording here, or you click Start Recording here. Another way you can actually do it is this is where your set of extensions are going to appear. Your extensions are going to appear here. This area is called your extensions area. So at any point when you open up Chrome, you should be able to see your Fluvid button there. Now, if in any case you don't see it, it's not because it's not installed. It's because it's hidden inside because you have so many extensions in your computer. So I'm going to show you how to access this particular extension if you want to begin recording. So I've showed you three ways. You can click Start Recording here. Number one. Number two, that hooray page, you can click on Start Recording there. Or if you go to any other page, you can always click on this little button here that says extension, where I'm pointing my mouse on. It's just next to your picture or your Gmail account. So by clicking on this extension button, it will show you all the extensions you have installed, and you will notice that Fluvid is also there. So if you want Fluvid to appear up there together in your main bar, then you can pin it optionally if you want by clicking on this pin button. So by clicking on this pin button, you will notice that Fluvid is now readily available up here anytime I need it. So this will be another way to begin or to start recording. So whichever way I've shown you, which is 3 so far, when you click on that start recording button, you are going to see this settings window. So in this settings window, firstly, ensure that you are screen recording. Number 2, select either screen and camera, screen only, or camera only. Now, for the sake of our exercise, we are going to be using screen plus camera. Now, please ensure that you have got the right camera selected. Ensure you have the right microphone selected. And do not forget to activate system sound. This button here needs to be on. It needs to be toggled on. Leave it at your full desktop, and you are now ready to start recording. So I'm going to do a quick sample for you. So I'm ready. I'm going to click on start recording, and you will see a timer that appears on your screen, or a countdown timer. So when you start recording, they will first ask you which screen you want. Just make sure it is your entire screen. It is your entire screen. You should only have one here. And then you click share. Don't forget to share system audio at the bottom as well. Otherwise, it might not pick up certain sounds. So when you're ready, click on share, and your recording countdown should begin. As you can see, it counts down from 3 to 1. My recording has officially started. So you start by saying, hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you today how to create a Google Classroom. So to begin, I will go to Google Classroom, and this is how my Google Classroom will look like. And as I go here, you will notice that this is what the main page of Google Classroom looks like. And then you take them through the whole process of this assignment. And notice at the bottom, your video is there. You can actually click in your video and change it even to a square or to a circle, or you even have different sizes. You want a larger video or an even larger one if you want. So you can play around with these settings here. I'll go for the smallest one. And you will also see a little toolbar on your left. This is where you can pause your video anytime, or you can stop your recording when you are done. Another thing you'll see is there's this little toolbar down here, and you can stop your sharing here when you have completed. And that's exactly what I'm going to do now, assuming I've done my screen recording. Now, the moment you click stop, either here or here, doesn't matter, you will immediately notice that your recording would have stopped, and you will be taken to fluvid.com, and your recorded video will be here. So let's test it out and see whether my video is there and if it's working correctly or not. So I will click on play to test out my video that I made a moment ago. It counts down from 3 to 1. My recording has officially started. So you start by saying, hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you today how to create a Google Classroom. So as you can see, my recording is complete, and it's now waiting for me to submit as my assignment. So how do we do that? 2 things that needs to be done at this stage. Number 1, you need to change your privacy settings from private to public. Now, if you put it as private, only you can see this video. Even though I get your link, I will not be able to view it. So please remember, change it to public, accept the notification by clicking yes. So it's now public, as you can see. And the last final step is to click on this other tools button called copy shareable link. So it'll be copied to your memory, to your computer's memory. So by clicking on it, you will notice that this link has now been copied. So all you need to do from this portion is to go to your assignment 2 in Google Classroom, and under the submission column, just paste the link that you copied a while ago. Paste and hand in your assignment. I hope this video was helpful. Try it out step by step, and it shouldn't go wrong. Thank you and good luck.